Hello friends. Friends, today we will discuss the difference between fundamental and derived units. Now let us start with the discussion. This is a picture of a chair. Now chair has mass that can be measured with kilogram. Chair has length also that can be measured in meter. This is a picture of a clock, and clock tells us about the time, and time can be measured in seconds. This is a picture of a temperature scale, and that can be measured with the help of Celsius, Kelvin. This is a picture of a candle. Candle gives us light. Again, this is a picture of a ammeter, and ammeter tells us about the electric current that can be measured in ampere. Atoms, amount of matter, quantity of matter, the unit is mole. Now I have told you about the 7 units. Those are known as fundamental units. One is kilogram, second one is meter, third one is second, fourth one is Kelvin, fifth one is candela, sixth one is ampere, and seventh one is mole. Now kilogram mass is measured with the help with units of kilogram, length meter, time in seconds. Now here in place of Kelvin, temperature should be here. Luminous intensity, candela, unit is candela. Electric current, unit is ampere. Quantity of matter, unit is mole. Now these are the fundamental units, because all these units are independent of each other. All these units are independent of each other. That's why they are known as fundamental units. Okay, now these are the fundamental quantities. There are two more supplementary fundamental units. One is radian and second one is steradian. So there are total 9 fundamental units, 7 plus 2 supplementary fundamental units. Now what about derived units? Now you must have heard the term speed. Now what is speed? Speed is distance upon time. Now what is the unit of distance? Distance means length. Length means meter, and time means second. So those units which are dependent upon the fundamental units are known as derived units, or those quantities which are dependent upon the fundamental quantities are known as derived quantities. Okay, so fundamental unit means those units which are independent of each other, and derived units means those units which are derived, which can be derived from the fundamental units by division or by multiplication. So this is all about the difference between fundamental and derived units, or fundamental and derived quantities. Thank you. Thanks a lot.